Right, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how we prove the arithmetic series formula. Right, like we discussed before, we say that an arithmetic series is the sum of terms in an arithmetic sequence. The formula for arithmetic series is like this. Sn is equal to n over 2, and then in brackets there 2a plus n minus 1d. Or if you have the last term, you can use this one, n over 2 times a plus l. I'm going to show you how we derive these two. Right, remember this. Right, remember that Sn, we are adding all the terms of the sequence, or all the terms of the series. Okay, so the first term is a. That's the first term. So it's a plus the second term. The second term is going to be a plus d. Is going to be 2 minus 1 here. If his second term is going to be 2 minus 1, then you remain with 1d. So it's going to be a plus d. The third term is going to be a plus 2d. Okay, it goes on like that. You add the terms till, let's say, we go to the third last term. The third last term is going to be a plus n minus 3d. And then we have the second last term is going to be a plus n minus 2d. The last term is a plus n minus 1d. How do we prove this formula? So what we do, we add two SNs. And then this is how we do it. The first one, we write it as it is. We write like this. Let's just do that. Right, that's the first one. And then we add, I said we add two SNs. And then let's have another SN. So we're adding here plus SN is equal to. And then what you do now, you start with the last term. We write the series the other way around. We start with the last term, followed by the second last, third last, and then we go on till we go to the third, the second, and the last. Like this. Let me show you. Right, like this. So we're adding this. We are adding this. Alright. So we're going to say Sn plus Sn. Sn plus Sn is 2Sn is equal to, and then let's use the colors here. So this is the first term here and the last term. So a plus n minus 1d is going to be 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, then plus, let's add the red ones now. Let me show you here. We say a plus d plus a plus n minus 2d. Right, so it's going to be a plus d plus a plus, then let's distribute this. It's going to be nd minus 2d. Right, d minus 2d, that is negative d. Then a plus a, that is 2a. So you have 2a, we have 2a plus nd minus d. Okay, was d minus 2d, that is negative d. Okay, and then we can factor out d here and then say 2a plus then d, then which is n minus 1, like that, which is just the same as 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so if you're adding these red ones, we're going to get what? Again, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, right, let's add the blue ones, this one and this one. Okay, let me do it here. A plus 2d. Okay, let me just write without brackets because it's just addition. then plus a plus n minus 3d. A plus a is 2a, then plus 2d, then let's dispute d here, is going to be plus dn minus 3d. Right, 2d minus 3d, that is negative d, so it's going to be 2a plus nd minus d. It's going to be n minus 1d, like that. So you see that we're getting what? We're still getting 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, do you see that we're getting the same thing? It's always 2a plus n minus 1d. And then plus goes on like that. Right, now if we're adding this, the purple ones, this one and this one, do you see that it's just the same thing as this and this? Okay, it's going to be 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, and plus, let's add the green ones. The green ones, do you see that if you're adding this one and this one, it's just like adding the red ones, like this. Then remember they gave us 2a plus n minus 1d. Alright, and then the last one, the blue ones, if you check these ones, it's just the same as adding this one and this one, the black ones there. And then remember they gave us 2a plus n minus 1d. Right, and then how many terms are we adding here? How many of these are we going to have? How many terms are we adding? Right, since we're adding n terms, let me just write that. So it means 2sn is equal to what? If you're adding n terms, so it's going to be n times 2a plus n minus 1d. Like if you're adding 10 x's, it's just 10 times x. If you're adding 20 y's, it's just like 20 times y. So we're adding n of these, since we're adding n terms. So it means 2sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1d. And then we divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. Sn is equal to n over 2, then 2a plus n minus 1d. That's how we prove this arithmetic series formula. Right, now, how do we prove this one then? For this one, you have to remember that Tn, which is the last term, let me just write L there for the last term, is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, you have to remember that. So now, we write this formula Sn is equal to n over 2, and then 2a. 2a is just like a plus a, that is 2a, and plus n minus 1d. Okay, and then if you check this part, it's just the same as this. So we can replace this whole part by L. Then say Sn is equal to n over 2, then a plus L. Okay, that's how we prove this formula. We're going to do examples in our next lessons.